BehavioSec look at your behavior either inside a mobile app or in a web browser. When it's integrated in the mobile app, we can leverage all the rich data you can get from a mobile device. And in the web browser scenario, we'll look at how you handle the keyboard and mouse. The behavior is then handled by our server software. This demo covers the web browser scenario. This demo consists of 4 modules. First of all, you need to register a demo account. Then you will train your demo profile to capture your typing rhythm. And once the profile has collected enough information, it's time to hand over the keyboard to someone who will try to use your login credentials. And finally, we'll look at the dashboard to see the result of the demo. So let's start by clicking the link to the banking demo and register an account. Pick a unique username that is 6 or more characters. Please use the proposed password we have generated for you and write it down on a piece of paper so you don't forget it. Training. You will now log in with your credentials and start filling out the forms with the information you will find next to each row. Once this is done, click Make Transfer. You have now done 1 out of 10. Click Make Another Transfer to get back to the login page and continue training your profile. To save some time, I will do this with some added speed. Remember that in production, this all runs in the background and the end user does not see a thing. This enforced training is only for the demo. After 10 logins and transfers, the profile is activated. And now it's time to ask someone else to do a login and transfer with your credentials before we look at the dashboard. And now let's take a look at the dashboard. Here we can see the last training sessions and the checkbox to show that the profile is fully trained. Let's expand this session and look at each transaction. In our case, login and transfer. We can expand it even further to look at the score of each individual target. Now let's look at the fraudster using my credentials. As you can see, the score is low both on username and password. The same goes for the other fields as well. And this puts this session in a red state. This gives the fraud team at the bank the ability to take appropriate action. Please find out more about our solutions at behaviosec.com.